Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove gaps around tiled window on Mac. So when you tile a window on Mac, macOS can leave a small amount of space around windows and between them. These margins help each windows look visibly separate and can make tiled layout feel less crowded. However, the gaps also reduce the amount of screen space available inside each app. If you prefer a tighter layout, you can remove the margin so the tiled windows sit directly next to each other and use more of the display. This setting only changes the appearance and spacing of tiled window. It does not turn window tiled on or off. So to remove the gap, first click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here scroll until you find Windows section. And finally turn off the toggle right to tile windows have margin. And that's it. Now you can see the windows you have tiled will no longer use an additional outer spacing, giving them a more connected appearance and allowing them to use more of the available screen area. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.